Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Let's trace and paint them together. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. One baby arrives. Two tiny hands hold. Three sweet kisses given. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Let's trace and paint them together. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 0. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. 1. One cat sleeps.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho the
2. Two birds fly.
the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi ho the dairy-o.
3. Three dogs play.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child.
4. Four cars go.
Dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
5. Five flowers bloom.
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog.
6. Six kids laugh.
Cow takes the dog.
7. Seven butterflies dance.
The dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi
8.
ho, the
Eight monkeys jump.
cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy-o, the
9.
mouse takes
Nine fish swim.
the cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands
0.
alone.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 0. Please like and subscribe to my channel.